Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the eagle arrow indicator for MT4. All right, whether you are using the MT4 version or the MT5 version, you can just follow the link in the description below and it's going to take you to the web page where you can download whether the MT4 version or the MT5 version. Okay, after downloading the indicator, head over to your platform's indicators folder, be it the MT4 version or the MT5 version. After you have pasted the indicator file in there, you head back to your navigator and refresh. Okay, having done that, you should find the eagle arrow indicator. So you can just drag and drop. Now ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then for the input settings, you can see the settings available here: alert on, push notification, mail on, sound on. So whichever one you want to be enabled, you put it on true. Whichever one you want to be disabled, you put it on false. Okay. So now, unfortunately, the indicator, the gift version, seems to be no longer valid. So we are being redirected. Yeah, we are being redirected to get the indicator, to purchase the indicator. All right. So what I'm just going to suggest is, if you do not have the the urge to make any financial commitment for an indicator, then perhaps you can consider other free indicators that we have on the Forex Geek channel. All right, but if you still want to know more about the eagle, if you want to know more about the eagle arrow indicator, you can still head over to the FX binary website that we are being directed to. You can see you can rent it or buy it from the fxbinary.org. all right, so fxbinary.org is what we have here. And then let us just see products. Okay, this site doesn't even seem to be very detailed. Okay, unless if you have maybe a special preference for this particular indicator, it doesn't look like an indicator that I will recommend so much. Well, for more information, you can come to this site and do extra research. All right, but my advice for indicators that are for sale are, ensure that you have at least a money back guarantee or a free demo that you can test. Right? So if you're able to test a free demo and it meets your expectations, then perhaps you can proceed to make the financial commitment. But if not, you just, if you want to take the risk, fine and good. But if there is no free demo to test and no money back guarantee, then I guess the risk is gonna be higher. Okay, for many other free indicators on this channel, you can feel free to go through and select others that you can try out. Okay, but like I said, if you still have special preference for this, then feel free to go to www.fxbinary.org. okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content about the Forex market. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.